Hey everyone! Welcome to our channel, Everyday English Conversations. I'm your host Sarah, and today, we're about to seriously upgrade your English. Are you still using simple sentences, like, I'm happy, in everyday conversations?
Then, you need this video, because, we'll show you, how to say those same sentences in a much smarter, and more fluent way.
Here's how it works. I'll say a simple sentence in everyday English, and David will say the same idea, in advanced, natural English. Just like native speakers do.
And, by the end of this video, you'll know 100 upgraded sentences you can use in daily life. We've made everything super easy to understand. No grammar lessons, just real English in action.
Ready? Let's jump in. I'm very tired.
I'm absolutely exhausted.
I'm very hungry.
I'm starving.
I'm very happy.
I'm thrilled.
I'm very busy.
I'm swamped.
I'm very sad.
I'm heartbroken.
I'm very cold.
I'm freezing.
I'm very hot.
I'm boiling.
I'm scared.
I'm terrified.
I'm okay.
I'm doing all right.
I'm not sure.
I'm uncertain.
I think it's good.
I believe it's great.
I don't think so.
I doubt it.
I agree.
I'm on the same page.
I don't agree.
I disagree.
I don't care.
I'm not concerned.
I like it.
I'm fond of it.
I love it.
I'm crazy about it.
I don't like it.
I'm not a fan of it.
It's okay.
It's decent.
It's boring.
It's dull.
I'm going to sleep.
I'm heading to bed.
I'm going to eat.
I'm grabbing a bite.
I'll call you later.
I'll get back to you.
Wait a minute.
Hold on a second.
I'm leaving now.
I'm heading out.
I don't know.
I have no idea.
I'm listening.
I'm all ears.
Let's go.
Let's hit the road.
Come here.
Come over.
Go away.
Leave me alone.
I'm in a hurry.
I'm running late.
It's very early.
It's way too early.
It's too late.
It's already over.
Let's meet tomorrow.
Let's catch up tomorrow.
I'll do it soon.
I'll get to it shortly.
I'll come later.
I'll drop by later.
I waited a long time.
I waited forever.
It's time to go.
We should get going.
I'll do it now.
I'll take care of it right away.
I'll think about it.
I'll give it some thought.
I'm nervous.
I have butterflies in my stomach.
I'm excited.
I'm pumped up.
I'm angry.
I'm furious.
I'm confused.
I'm puzzled.
I'm surprised.
I'm shocked.
I'm worried.
I'm concerned.
I'm tired of this.
I've had enough.
I'm fine.
I'm doing just fine.
I'm happy for you.
I'm glad for you.
I feel sick.
I'm feeling unwell.
I'll try.
I'll give it a shot.
I did a good job.
I nailed it.
I finished the work.
I got it done.
I'll help you.
I've got your back.
Let's do it together.
Let's team up.
Don't forget.
Keep it in mind.
I'll check it.
I'll look into it.
I'm working hard.
I'm putting in the effort.
It's not working.
It's malfunctioning.
I'll explain it.
Let me clarify.
How are you?
How have you been?
I'm good.
I'm doing well.
Nice to see you.
Good to catch up.
See you later.
Catch you later.
Take care.
Stay safe.
Thanks a lot.
Much appreciated.
You're welcome.
No problem at all.
Sorry.
My apologies.
That's funny.
That's hilarious.
That's great.
That's fantastic.
It's expensive.
It costs a fortune.
It's cheap.
It's a bargain.
I want to buy this.
I'm interested in getting this.
I'm just looking.
I'm only browsing.
The food is very tasty.
The food is delicious.
I'm full.
I'm stuffed.
Let's eat out.
Let's dine out.
I'm cooking now.
I'm preparing the meal.
I want some tea.
I'd love a cup of tea.
I don't want more.
I've had enough.
It's very big.
It's enormous.
It's very small.
It's tiny.
It's very good.
It's excellent.
It's very bad.
It's terrible.
It's very clean.
It's spotless.
It's very dirty.
It's filthy.
It's very fast.
It's lightning fast.
It's very slow.
It's super slow.
It's very loud.
It's deafening.
It's very quiet.
It's silent.
I'm interested.
I'm intrigued.
I'm not interested.
I'm not into it.
I'll try again.
I'll give it another go.
I don't believe you.
I find that hard to believe.
I have to go.
I've got to run.
It's not fair.
It's unjust.
It's not important.
It's not a big deal.
That's true.
That's accurate.
You can do it.
You've got this.
Let's end the video now.
Let's wrap it up.
Wow. We just gave you 100 simple and advanced English sentences.
If you practice them, your English will sound natural, fluent, and smarter.
So, which sentence was new for you today? Tell us in the comments.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English like this.